much. I love you. I love you. Thank you. Maraming salamat. All right. Okay, what's next, guys?
Check out!
Check out!
99 lang!
May message. Kailan daw yung mga show sa US?
Kailan yung mga shows sa US? So, as some of you guys may know, paalis na ako. I will be leaving June 17. First show is in Aruba. So, sa taga Bahamas dyan sa Aruba. I'll see you guys on June 21st. And then the next show is San Leandro, California. Northern California, malapit sa San Francisco yan. June 27. And then the next show is July 9 in Lloydminster, Canada. July 9, Lloydminster, Canada. July 10, Fresno, California. July 11, sunod-sunod po yan. So, RIP bosses ko, sana makayanan ko yan. June 11, Sacramento. After June 11, Sacramento, I believe the next one is July 31. Tama ba? July 31 in... Saan ulit yun? Victoria, BC. July 31, Victoria, BC, Canada. And then, babalik na ako dito sa Pinas ng August 5. So, June 17 to August 5, wala po ako sa Pinas. So, kita-kits po tayo dyan sa America, Aruba, and Canada. Sa mga KKK fam, magdadala po ako ng mga KKK jerseys. Siyempre, Team KL jerseys and yung mga bomb. Katie's Bomb, Cologne, Trace Minerals, and the coffee. So, kita-kits po tayo dyan. Ayan, maraming salamat. So, next up is Miss B.
Nagaling na lang ako dito, Chris.
Okay. How
Nalungkot
about...
si Miss B.
Which one?
Nung narinig yung mga schedule mo.
Ano?
Nalungkot.
Matagal nawawala?
Ang tagal. Nasanay na siya nandiyan ka lagi.
Oo nga, wala nang ano. Wala nang ano.
Wala nang.
One call away.
One call away naman talaga ako lagi. Kaya ko naman gumalaw kahit nandun ako.
Wow.
Okay guys, what do you want to hear next? Anong gusto niyo? Wonderful tonight. Alam mo yun?
Kaya mo yan, Mr. B. Laban mo na lang yan.
Duet tayo. Duet tayo. Let's try.
Last 100 na lang daw po, Mr. B, yung minero natin.
Last 100 na lang yung minero natin. Ayun na yung... Yes. 99 pesos. Last 100 na lang po, mga madams.
From 399.
Para matry nyo, from 399, 99 na lang po siya. Alright.
Okay.
Alright, go for 500k sales para sa Kiss!
Yeah. Na. Sakit-sak ko na eh. Ay! Walang filter na. Asa may pantay mo na phone? Ayan na lang na. Saan yung banta? Wala. Wala na.
Okay, parang hindi ko type yung -1.
Pag nagkamali. Nakala ko ganun na tayo ngayon, kagabi na.
Let's try this one.
Love you.
Akala ko gabi na, kaya mag-ano na tayo, magagano na tayo.
Saan ba yan? Sarah.
Yes!
So yeah, pasok ito.
Lago ba? Sabi ko si Mr. B. Kaya ko yan.
Ando ka sa likod.
Huwag na, re-record yun eh.
Late in the evening,
Eh, bakit lalak pa yung bete?
wondering what's supposed to win. Sun up makeup, brushes and long blonde hair.
And then she asked me, do I look alright? And I said yes, you look wonderful tonight. And Go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady that's walking around with me. Every day she asks me, do I feel alright? And I said yes, I feel wonderful tonight. 'Cause I feel wonderful because I see the love that's lighting in your eyes, and the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. Yeah, yes I do. I really love. It's time to go home now, 'cause I got a naked head. So I give her the car keys, and she helps me to bed. And then I tell her as I turn out the lights, I say, my darling, you feel wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Don't mind not knowing what I'm headed for. You can take me to
Ayan na. Babae kasi yung kantang ko, no?
5 minutes na lang. Ma-restrict na. Ma-restrict ba ako? End live na, end live. Okay.
Ano daw?
I gotta get restricted. Alright.
Request song ko.
I love you. End live muna ako. I'll be back.
Close it out.